Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Instagram stories repeating problem. So right now I'll show two methods to fix this problem. First method is uninstall Instagram app and reinstall Instagram app from Play Store. So for that, long press on Instagram app and tap on delete, and now go to your Play Store and reinstall Instagram and check the problem is fixed or not. And the second method is uninstall your Instagram and open any browser, and we need to download an older version. So tap on the search box and type here Instagram older version. Tap on this first link, scroll down, and here you will get older versions, so you can tap any of them to download. And now tap on download anyway, and after downloading you will get this Instagram on your phone storage. So you have to install this older version of Instagram, and that's how you can fix Instagram stories repeating problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.